Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about why study system analysis in design. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why study system analysis in design? Studying system analysis in design is important for several reasons, as it plays a critical role in the development and maintenance of efficient and effective information systems. Here are some key reasons why studying system analysis in design is valuable. Number 1. Improve problem solving. System analysis in design provides structured methods for identifying and solving complex business problems. It helps in breaking down these problems into smaller, manageable components. Number 2. Efficient resource utilization. By analyzing existing systems and designing new ones, organizations can allocate the resources more efficiently. This includes human resources, time, and technology. Number 3. Cost reduction. Effective system analysis and design can lead to cost savings by optimizing processes and eliminating redundancies. Organizations can reduce operational expenses. Number 4. Increased productivity. Well-designed systems can streamline workflows and increase productivity. Employees can work more efficiently, reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks. Number 5. Improve quality improvement. System design ensures that processes are standardized and consistent, leading to higher quality outcomes. This is especially important in industries where product or service quality is critical. Number 6. Scalability. As organizations grow, their systems need to be scalable to accommodate increased workloads. Proper system design can ensure that systems can adapt and expand as needed. Number 7. Competitive advantage. Organizations that have efficient and well-designed systems often gain a competitive advantage. They can respond more quickly to changes in the market and customer needs. 8. Risk management. Effective system analysis can help identify potential risks and vulnerabilities in an organization's processes. This enables proactive risk management in the implementation of security measures. Number 9. Technology integration. With the rapid advancement of technology, organizations need to integrate new tools and systems. System analysis and design help in smoothly integrating new technologies into existing systems. Number 10. User satisfaction. A well-designed system takes into account user needs and preferences. This leads to higher user satisfaction and reduced user frustration with technology. Number 11. Project success. When developing new systems or making significant changes to existing ones, following a structured system analysis and design process increases the livelihood of project success. It helps in setting clear objectives and expectations. Number 12. Compliance and regulation. Many industries are subject to regulations and compliance requirements. System analysis and design can help ensure that systems meet these legal and regulatory standards. Number 13. Data management. As data becomes increasingly valuable, system analysis and design plays a crucial role in data management. Properly designed systems can handle and protect data effectively. Number 14. Environmental consideration. Sustainable practices are gaining importance in business. System analysis and design can help identify opportunities to reduce an organization's environmental footprint through more efficient resource usage. Number 15. Continuous improvement. System analysis and designs are not one-time activities. They promote a culture of continuous improvement where organizations regularly review and update their systems to stay competitive and efficient. In conclusion, studying system analysis and design is essential for organizations and individuals looking to harness the power of technology and information systems to achieve their goals efficiently, effectively, and competitively. It provides a structured approach to problem solving and innovation in ever-evolving world of technology and business. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why study system analysis and design. Thank you so much for watching and support in my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.